Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain current affairs of 11th October. The first question for the day is, which state government has launched Jagannath Vidya Kanuka scheme to provide free kits to government school students? Correct answer is option number 2, that is Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan launched the scheme Jagannath Vidya Kanuka scheme. This scheme is to provide free kits to government school students from class 1st to class 10th. Therefore, Andhra Pradesh state government launched Jagannath Vidya Kanuka scheme to provide free kits to government school students. The second question is, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai collaborated with which company to mark contaminant zones in Mumbai on maps? The correct answer is option number 3, that is Google. Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai collaborated with Google. This is to mark contaminant zones in Mumbai on maps. The next question is, who has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? The first option, that is M.A. Ganapathy, has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. He is an IPS officer. He has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. The next question is, who has got additional charge as the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution? The correct answer is Piyush Goyal. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal has got additional charge as the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution after the death of Ram Vilas Paswan. Therefore, Piyush Goyal has got the additional charge as the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. The next question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of India's first badminton brand named Transform? Therefore, the correct answer is option number 2, that is Chetan Anand. Chetan Anand has been appointed as the brand ambassador of India's first badminton brand named Transform. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Transform, that is India's first homegrown badminton brand, which was virtually launched on 7th October 2020. The next question is, who has been appointed as the first ever digital brand ambassador of Myntra? The correct answer is option 5, that is Bhuvan Bam has been appointed as the first ever digital ambassador of Myntra. YouTuber Bhuvan Bam has been named as fashion e-commerce platforms Myntra's first digital brand ambassador. He has been appointed to strengthen Myntra's digital presence ahead of the festive season. Therefore, he has been appointed as the first ever digital ambassador of Myntra. Who has won 2020 Nobel Peace Prize in Literature? The correct answer is option 4, that is Louis Gluck has won 2020 Nobel Prize in the field literature. The next question is, which organization has won Nobel Peace Prize? The correct answer is option number 3, that is World Food Program Organization has won Nobel Peace Prize for 2020. United Nations World Food Program has got Nobel Peace Prize for its efforts to fight hunger and for its contribution to improving peace conditions in conflict and affected areas. Therefore, World Food Program Organization has won Nobel Peace Prize award for 2020. The next question is, who has addressed Invest India Conference in Canada virtually? The answer is option number 4, that is Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi addressed the conference Invest India in Canada. Therefore, Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually delivered the keynote address, that is Invest India Conference in Canada, which aims to showcase opportunities to the business community in Canada for investing in India in agricultural, medical, educational and business front. Therefore, the conference was addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The next question is, name the half-yearly coastal security exercise which was held on 8th October along the coastal areas of Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option 5, that is Sagar Kavach. A 2 days long half-yearly coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach was held on 8th and 9th October 2020 along the coastal areas of Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep. Therefore, the exercise name is Sagar Kavach. The next question is, name the India's first anti-radiation missile which was tested from Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft. Therefore, the India's first anti-radiation missile name is Rudram 1. That is option number 4, that is Rudram 1. India successfully test fired its first indigenous anti-radiation missile Rudram 1, a new generation anti-radiation missile integrated on fighter aircraft. The fighter aircraft is Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft. This was developed by DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. The next question is, Justice KK Usha, who passed away recently, is the first woman chief justice. I'm so sorry, guys. Question is this: Justice KK Usha, who passed away recently, is the first woman chief justice of which high court? The answer is option number 3, that is Kerala High Court. Justice KK Usha, the former chief justice of Kerala High Court, passed away at the age of 81 in a private hospital due to cardiac arrest. She is the first woman chief justice of Kerala High Court. And the next question is, Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ram Vilas Paswan, who passed away recently, belongs to which of the Lok Sabha constituency? The answer is, that is option number 4, that is Hajipur, Bihar. Ram Vilas Paswan, Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, elected from Hajipur constituency of Bihar. He passed away at the age of 74 due to heart ailments. Next question is, Avinash Karshikar, who passed away in October 20, was a renowned. He is a renowned both actor, producer and actor. That is option number 4, that is both 1 and 2. He passed away at the age of 68 due to heart attack. The next question is, Anant Kumar Surendra Rai Dave, who passed away recently, was the former acting Chief Justice of which High Court? He is the Chief Justice of option 3, that is Gujarat High Court. Anant Kumar Surendra Rai Dave, former acting Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court, passed away at the age of 62 after prolonged illness. He belongs to Gujarat High Court. He is a former acting Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. And the next question is, when was World Post Day observed annually? Option number 4, that is on October 9th. The World Post Day is observed annually on 9th October. It aims to bring awareness about the role of post in the lives of people, business, and its contribution to global social and economic development. The next question is, which ministry observes National Postal Week in India between 9th to 15th of October? The option is option number 1, that is Ministry of Communications. National Post Week will be observed in India from October 9th to 15th. This is to bring awareness or generate awareness about the role and activities of Indian Post among public and media at national level. The next question is, the World Egg Day 2020 was observed on which of the date? That is the first option, that is October 9th. World Egg Day is observed annually on the second Friday of October. This year the day falls on October 9th. The World Egg Day is celebrated on second Friday. The day aims to raise awareness of the benefits of their eggs and their importance in human nutrition. Therefore, the World Egg Day was observed on October 9th. If you like the content of the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you want more videos on current affairs, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.